Hey everybody! Today we're going to take a look at the Cisco Meraki IE3500 Rugged Series switch. These switches deliver high bandwidth, higher power, and feature rich switching performance in a rugged and modular form factor. Let's dive right in. The Cisco Meraki IE3500 Rugged Series switches are designed with features that enable the industrial network infrastructure to seamlessly accommodate machine vision use cases, AI-driven analysis, virtualization, large-scale networks, robust security, and edge-to-cloud connectivity. These industrial Ethernet switches are designed for deployments requiring hardened products, such as factory automation, smart cities, energy and process control, intelligent transportation systems, energy product sites, smart city programs, and mining operations. They offer high performance, high bandwidth, a rich feature set, rugged hardware, and class-leading security features. They are built to withstand extreme environments, and they adhere to IT network design, compliance, and performance requirements. Let's take a look at the hardware and see what we're working with here. Starting at the top, we have an RJ45 console port, and next to that, we have a USB-C console port and a USB-A host port behind a small cover here. You can use these to connect the switch to a computer or terminal server. Moving down, we have 3 fiber 1GB SFP ports, and under that, behind this cover, is an SD card slot. In the middle row here, we have 8 1GB copper Ethernet ports, and to the left of each port is a copper downlink port LED light. On the right side, we have 2 power connectors, an express setup button, a group of LEDs, which I will come back to in a second, and an alarm connector. We also have a protective ground connection here on the edge. These 2 holes on the right side of the switch are used to attach an expansion module if you have one. Let's go back and take a look at that group of LEDs. The LEDs labeled A and B up here at the top are DC input status LEDs. To the right of those is a PoE operations LED. Now below that we have an express setup LED and a system status LED. At the bottom here we have 2 alarm input LEDs and 1 alarm output LED. If we turn the switch over, this is where we can actually attach the switch to a DIN rail. While there are a number of AC and DC power options available, we're going to be using a 240 watt AC adapter with a North American plug. First, we want to locate the 2 power connectors on the switch front panel labeled DC-A and DC-B. Then we take the DC output cable and connect it from the power supply to the switch's DC input power connector. And please be very careful to ensure that the connections are oriented correctly when inserting them. Now we're going to take the AC power cord and connect it from the AC input connection of the power adapter to your AC power outlet. And once again, please be very careful to ensure that the connections are oriented correctly. The Cisco Meraki IE3500 switches feature an extended operating temperature range, flexible power options, and DIN rail mounting, making them ideal for industrial environments. If you have any further questions, please reach out to Rhino Networks and speak to a Meraki expert today.